just had to stop here because I've seen that. I've had to stop here because of this. I mean, look how brilliant this is. This is what I love about the Philippines. Well, some of what I love about the Philippines. I mean, that is fantastic. I love the Philippines. I'm trying to find Nilalata Falls, and when you go off the beaten track in the Philippines, and I mean off the main roads, this is the type of thing that you're going to see. I mean, look at this, how brilliant is that? And then you've got a carabao in the water having its lunch or whatever, its breakfast. I mean, how brilliant is that? Don't you just love the Philippines? And the other big bonus when you get here, guys, is you get a beautiful Philippine wife. How better can it get? My God, I keep having to stop because this country is beautiful. There's so much to see when you come here, honestly. And I've stopped and I've just looked over this bridge, and I hope we can show you the fishes. There's thousands of them, tiny little fishes. I hope you can see them. Oh, it's just great. I need a fishing rod. I definitely need a fishing rod. I miss my, I'm not going to say, I was just about to say something that didn't sound right. But yeah, I miss being able to fish. But again, look at the view over here. Let's have a look at it. So you can see them with the nets here, and going by how many fish I can see, I don't think they should be having too much of a problem. It's beautiful. Oh my God, I love this. Again, we found this place, but it's took some finding, got lost as usual. They're always off the beaten track, and it's always a little entrance you're going to miss if you're not really looking. And while I'm thinking of it, next video should be of an island. I'm doing a same as I did on Camarines, and it's an island off Daet. So hopefully that'll be done next week. Don't hold me to it because something might go wrong, but I've saved enough money with my Patreon and that I can actually do something decent. So let's see how today goes. This is looking pretty good down here anyway, and it's what I've noticed as well is it's lovely and cool, because we're in the summer season. I'd hate to be in somewhere like Manila now, because I've been told it's really bad, the heat. But come June, that's when the rainy season starts again. So we need to make the best of it while we can, basically. This is really great. We can hear the obligatory music. But it reminds me of Nilalata Falls and Vera Falls, the steps. It's really similar. It's a really long way down from the top. So down is okay. I'm not so keen about the coming up again. When I first came in here, I felt a slight disappointment coming all this way until I got to what you've just seen. It's absolutely beautiful and it's very cool in here. So in the summer I can understand why there's a lot of people come to this point. I think if I was a Westerner, I'd want to come in the low season when there's not as many people here, but if you like this kind of thing, if you don't mind crowds, it's brilliant. It's really good here, it's really cool, and I've seen one or two bats flying about, and that's because there's caves here, so obviously the bats go into the caves. But it's really, really cool. The place is beautiful, really beautiful. Right, I've had a great couple of hours here. It's time to go home, unfortunately. I hope you've liked the video. I hope you like a different, cheap place for you to visit when you're in the Philippines. And it's really beautiful and it's cool here. So give me the thumbs up, don't forget to support my channel, and another way you can support it is going and buying one of my t-shirts. There's two on the site at the moment. You click on the link at the end of this video and it takes you through to Amazon where you can get any size you want, most colours you want. So hope you like it. Like I say, see you all again soon. Bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.